What's up, gang? We are back. It is part 2. Well, actually, it's day 3, I believe, of the whole shebang. But we're done. We got everything back. So we finished everything up. All we had to do was reconnect the fan, the trans cooler, the power steering line that hangs the steering column on the steering rack, and then we just got to put up the plastics. We did the oil change, ran it for about 5 minutes. It burned off a lot of the oil on the exhaust that we had from just touching it. It didn't see any drips underneath. Didn't see anything leaking. That's about it. I got the wheels. I cleaned the wheels off a little bit and put the oil into the containers to the brim pretty much. So yeah, we got the big plate. Oh, we had the V-brace. We put the V-brace back on, that's obvious. But wheels and clean up, not much else. It's just that long one back here, that trans one, the trans cover. So we had to let it cool down. We had some breakfast, relaxed for a little bit. It's like 10 or 11 something. So we're gonna button it up and then take it on the maiden voyage after the pan. So not too bad of a job. Anybody can really do it. I mean, I didn't show you guys anything. Obviously, I'm kind of late to the party making these videos. But this had to be done. It was the one leak that I could really see. I think it might be leaking a little bit on the valve cover. It's got a little bit of oil in between, but I'm gonna watch that a little more carefully. Still got to do these hoses, the upper radiator hose, like I said, another one. So I'll get back to you guys on the drive. What's up, YouTube? It is the next day. I know I'm jumping around, not showing too much, a lot of talking, but family's here. Family comes first. So it's the next day. As you can see, we are driving. So far, so good. Drove it a few times. Drove my kids to school. Nothing major. Not a lot of craziness going on. But I haven't seen anything. Oil still reads fine. But it changed the gasket on that oil level sensor on the oil pan, and I didn't realize it was a kit of 5 gaskets. I'll try to take some pictures. I mean, you already know what a gasket looks like, but yeah, it was a pack of 5. It's like $25 from O'Reilly. I just went with them because I wanted it now. That's the whole reason my father-in-law was here, was to help me do the job. So we got that. So that was done. That's added reassurance. So the car's not completely warm, but we're gonna be on the straightaway here, so I can maybe get a pull in. We'll see. So just to address a few things in the video previous, yeah, I did go with the shitty O'Reilly's oil. I just did the oil change in February with Mobil 1 540 Euro. So I said, what the fuck, and just bought the cheap stuff. For now, I don't plan on doing an oil change again in a little while, so it's gonna be fine. Everything went fine with the bolts. None of the threads were messed up from drilling them out. We just went to O'Reilly's, or not O'Reilly's, sorry, we went to Harbor Freight and got a punch, spring-loaded punch, and used that for the center of the bolt where it broke, and Then just used some drill bits, drilled in, and got it out with the easy out. Some of them didn't even need to use the easy out. Some of them just came out with the drill bit. So I mean, it was pretty easy. A little stressful, but pretty easy. I wish I would have recorded all that, but like I said, I was just trying to get this done and do it right the first time. So we're in the school zone, and we're in the city. So some cop right there. But yeah, it's been riding pretty nice so far. It's starting to get warm out, so I'm gonna start parking it in the garage. Need to get a heat shield, the windshield heat cover. But now my next plan is to fix this random misfires, nothing major, just small little misfires, and it's from the injectors. I'm gonna do bank 1 first, since that bank has the one injector index 4. All the other 5 are index 9s, but I picked up 3 used index 11s. So I'm gonna get the decouplers, I'm gonna get new seals, and install those bad boys.